Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. I'm Susan from Net News Times. This is the second episode of Tech Talks represented by the Net News Times. For much of 2020 and 2021, people have endured missing their friends and loved ones. Yet while physical distance has separated us, we have also rediscovered the power and importance of being together. 2020 reminded us that success is not fully celebrated without the one who helped. Holidays are not as memorable without connecting with friends and family. And getting things done is never as fun when we have to do it alone. So Microsoft has aimed to help everyone rediscover the joy of togetherness because life is better when we got together. This is why I am here today. Today we will see some personal features in Microsoft Team app. Microsoft has added some personal features in Microsoft Team. These personal features in Teams are designed to bring you closer to the people you care about so that you can call, chat, plan and organize things big and small together in one place. In this video we will discuss some crazy features of Microsoft Team. Here are a few of my favorite features that now make Teams a great app to use with family and friends. So let's see what are my favorite features in Microsoft Team. My favorite features is video calls that make you feel like you are in the same room. Microsoft has added a together mode, a key feature of Teams available for us for use in our personal life. We can now turn on any regular video call into a shared virtual environment using together mode to help feel like you are in the same space as your family and friends. With together mode, video call fatigue is reduced because our brain does not have to work as hard when compared to a standard video call. We can now choose from a variety of new virtual environments such as a family lounge, coffee shop or even a summer resort to making your calls more engaging, fun and connected even when you are apart. So with the new features called the Together mode in Microsoft Team app, you can choose a variety of new virtual environments to do a video call. This is the very amazing features in Microsoft Team app which I love very much. And another one is live emoji reaction and GIFs. Now suppose you are in a team meetings. Now you can use the live emoji and GIFs features to add more emotionality to your team meetings. This features is one of my favorite features in Team app. And another mind-blowing features in Team app is chat thread. The best thing is that if you miss a call where everyone in your group got together, you can always come back to catch up. Read the chat thread and post your favorite GIF to carry on the conversation because chats in Team don't go away when your call is done. So with help of your chat thread features, you can now come back anytime in your video call and post the favorite GIF to carry on your conversation. Video call links in Teams can be shared with anyone even if they don't use Teams. Your friends or family can join a meeting using any device like PC, Mac, iOS and Android or web browser. That makes it so easy to plan everything from a small get together with family or even a virtual wedding. Plus, now you can invite 300 people so there is every room for everyone. Now in Team app, you can create a shared to-do list and assign tasks to others in the group. Everyone in the group can view and edit tasks, detail or check off items when completed. So with this new feature in Team, you can now add clarity to your life and enjoy the group chat with your family and friends. Now bringing people together in a group chat is as simple as adding people using their email or phone number. Even if someone you add does not use Teams, they can still see and respond to all group chat via SMS and text messages. Isn't this cool? What do you think about this? Please comment down us below. Another feature is converting a message from a group chat into a text. Now you can convert a message from a group chat into a text. So suppose your wife reminds you that you are out of bread. Now you can add it directly to the grocery list. This way, whether it is managing chores at home or planning the next weekend trip, you can get to the finish line with the help of everyone. So the next feature is pool feature. Pooling is a great way to track decisions such as where to meet for dinner or what day to hold grandma's birthday party. But what happens when the group has to make a decision? So the Microsoft has added the feature called pools. With the help of pool now you can create a pooling and make decision with your family and members. Pooling features is available everywhere nowadays. So what makes team unique is that once the pool is completed, anyone in the group can take action based on the results. Whether it is adding a group event or assigning tasks. To do this today, you will have to use 3 different apps. One to coordinate through chat, one to add it to everyone's calendar, and one for tasks. Now you can do it all in Teams. Pools is coming soon and we can't wait to use it to get my family to decide what to order for dinner. So this was the another very cool features in Team app. Another cool feature in the list is dashboard view in every chat. It is also super slick to see all the dashboard view in every chat. The dashboard neatly organizes all your group's shared content from photos, files, web, links, shared tasks, and upcoming group events. This has saved me so much time because I can now quickly jump in and out of my different group chats and easily access all the shared information related to that chat. So this helps me a lot while collecting data and information about the chat. Now you can balance your life at home and work together in one app. Microsoft Team has really very cool features that help us balance our life at home and work together. So this is it guys. What do you think about the Microsoft Team app? Please comment down us below. On that note, I have to say goodbye. Till then, goodbye. Stay safe, stay tuned.